Have you ever spent hours studying only to forget everything the next day? If so, you are not alone. Most people struggle to retain information because they use ineffective study methods. But what if I told you there's a way to study just once and remember it forever? This is not a trick. It's backed by neuroscience and used by top students, memory champions, and even geniuses. In this video, you will learn exactly why most people forget what they study and the proven techniques that allow you to retain information effortlessly. If you stay with me until the end, you will have everything you need to transform the way you learn. So let's get started. Why we forget information so quickly. To understand how to remember information permanently, we first need to understand why we forget so easily. A German psychologist named Hermann Ebbinghaus studied memory loss and discovered something shocking. Within 1 hour, we forget about 50% of what we learn. By the next day, nearly 80% of that information is gone. After a week, we might remember only 10% of what we studied. This is called the forgetting curve, and it explains why cramming the night before an exam never works long-term. Your brain treats that information as unimportant and discards it. Memory works by forming connections between neurons. The stronger these connections, the easier it is to recall information. If we don't reinforce these connections, they weaken, and the information is lost. This is why simple passive learning, such as reading a textbook or highlighting notes, doesn't work. So, how can we break this cycle and make learning permanent? Let's get into the science-backed techniques that will help you study once and remember forever. 1. The active recall technique. Most people think learning means reading and reviewing notes multiple times. But this method is one of the least effective ways to retain information. Instead, a technique called active recall is scientifically proven to help you remember things permanently. Active recall works by forcing your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens neural connections. Here's how you can use it. Read a section of material. Close the book and write down what you remember. Check what you missed and fill in the gaps. Repeat the process. If you do this consistently, you'll lock information into long-term memory much faster than by passively reviewing. Studies have shown that students who use active recall perform significantly better than those who rely on traditional note-taking. Number 2. Spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is one of the most powerful ways to retain information for life. Instead of studying everything at once, you review information at strategic intervals to reinforce memory. Here's how it works. Day 1. Learn the material. Day 3. Review it briefly. Day 7. Review it again. Day 14. One more review. Each time you review, you strengthen memory connections and make forgetting nearly impossible. Instead of cramming, schedule short reviews over time. This method is used in top medical schools, language learning programs, and by memory champions. You can use apps like Anki or Quizlet to automate your spaced repetition schedule. Number 3. The Feynman technique. If you can't explain something in simple terms, you don't truly understand it. That's the core idea behind the Feynman technique, a method developed by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman. The process is simple. 1. Pick a topic you're studying. 2. Explain it as if you're teaching a 5-year-old. 3. If you struggle, simplify it further. 4. Repeat until it makes complete sense. This method forces you to break down complex ideas and understand them deeply. If you find yourself using complicated words to explain something, chances are you don't really understand it. By teaching concepts to someone else, you strengthen your memory and identify weak areas in your knowledge. This technique is commonly used by the world's smartest students to ensure long-term retention. Number 4. The storytelling method. Humans have relied on stories to pass down knowledge for thousands of years. Our brains naturally remember information better when it's part of a story. Instead of memorizing isolated facts, turn them into a story. For example, instead of memorizing, "The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell," imagine tiny workers inside a cell producing energy, running around like factory workers in an energy plant. This visualization makes the information more memorable and engaging. If you can associate facts with images, emotions, or narratives, your brain will store them much more effectively. Number 5. The Mind Palace Technique. The Mind Palace technique is one of the oldest memory tricks in history, dating back to ancient Greece. It's a method where you place information inside an imaginary location, making it much easier to recall later. Here's how it works. Choose a familiar place, your house, school, or a street you know well. Mentally place information in different locations within that place. When you need to recall it, walk through your mind palace and retrieve the information. This method is so powerful that memory champions use it to recall thousands of pieces of information in minutes. The reason it works is that our brains are great at remembering locations, but bad at memorizing random facts. If you struggle with memorization, this technique can help you store and retrieve vast amounts of information effortlessly. Number 6. The 80-20 rule of studying. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. When applied to studying, this means 20% of the material contains 80% of the key concepts. Identify and focus on the most important parts first. For example, if you're studying for a science test, don't waste hours on tiny details that are rarely tested. Focus on core principles, high-yield topics, and patterns that show up again and again. Ask yourself, what does the teacher keep repeating? What topics appear most in past papers? What's essential to understanding the bigger picture? By prioritizing the most important material, you can save time, reduce stress, and learn smarter, not harder. This rule is used by top students to get better results with less effort. Remember, it's not about how much you study, but what you study that makes the biggest difference. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.